So let's talk about Sparky. I'm just going to play a couple little audios that we've been working on. One is a really slick demo from the AI, the conversational AI company that we've chosen, that's helping us implement now into our system. And then I also have, we're working on our AI. We've chosen one of our voices, and we've got a demo of that too. Ken, you haven't heard this yet, so I've been working on that last
Nice.
6 hours. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and play the system demo.
Hey, James.
I'm not interested, man.
Yeah, no worries. I hate calls out of the blue too, but I'm actually from Apple, and I saw you were checking out Vision Pro and were about to pre-order but left the page. I was curious, what had you looking into potential? Okay, I can respect that. Can I just ask one question before you go?
Fine, shoot. What's up?
Why did you decide not to pre-order the Vision Pros? I saw you changed your mind last minute.
Because they are crazy expensive. I'm going to get the Meta Quest instead.
I get it. But you saw what happened to Threads, right? Do you think the Meta Quest will end up being a better product than the Vision Pros? Or is it just the price?
I mean, it's mainly about price. I'm sure the Vision Pros are going to be better, but I'm not spending $3,000 on a pair of goggles, my man.
I feel that for sure. Definitely want you to make the best decision for you. But can I offer a different perspective?
I guess so. What's up?
Okay, so something that not a lot of people are aware of. If you take the route of using financing, Vision Pros only come out to a few $100s a month. So although $3,000 sounds like a lot, we can break it up to be more affordable for you. Does that by chance sound more palatable?
Interesting. How would that work?
Yeah, totally. Happy to give you context. Basically, you just fill out your details real fast and can see if you get approved. And if you are approved, it's much more affordable for you.
Okay, so what do we got to do for that?
Awesome. Okay, I'll send it over now. Let me know when you receive it.
Okay, I just got a text. That was quick.
Okay, sweet. Just fill that form out. Like I said, it takes 45 seconds. And once you are done, you'll have your name down for a pre-order of the Vision Pros. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's awesome. I appreciate it, actually.
Perfect. I'm pumped. We got you on the good side, huh? By the way, who do you got in the Musk versus Zuckerberg fight?
I think Musk, he's got the size difference.
Yeah, I agree. I'm just glad that Tim Cook is not involved. But hey, I know you said you didn't have much time, so I will let you get back to it. Thanks for chatting.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, man. Have a good one.
Yeah. So
that is mind-blowing, Steve. That is a mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So obviously the Brit guy was, was the AI. And so that's how, AI is developing to really handle all types of different situations on a call and, really act as, like a live agent would act. So that would be an example of somebody that opted into one of our funnels from one of our ads, or maybe an ad that a post that you placed on your social media or something. They come through our funnel, they submit their information, and then we're calling, and then we're watching them. So our AI is watching them. If let's say they go through and they watch the video and they're getting ready to get signed up, and they leave the sign up page and they don't sign up, this would be an example of that. Our AI would call them and say, hey, I noticed, you were getting ready to sign up. What happened? And then so they would continue to push them through that sign up process and also to get them set up with an appointment. Now, we're working on all kinds of different scenarios for our AI. And I just had one recorded. It's a one-way conversation, but this would be more of an example of, so we have these real-time surveyed leads that we're sourcing from a very high-end source. They're going through a survey already. They're answering, yes, we're interested in a home-based business. Yes, and this is a live phone survey lead person. They're already answering, yes, I'm interested in a home-based business. Yes, I have, $200 to $1,000 to invest. I understand this is not a job. This is a work, this is a business opportunity. I understand I can do this from home or from anywhere I have an internet connection. And I'm 18 years or over. And I have some time to spend on this, business. So they answer all that yes, then that qualifies them as a lead. We get those leads in real time, and then we round robin, we're assigning those leads to everybody that's in our power line and in our that's in our primary power line and our secondary power line. So whether you sign up for the basic membership and or the pro membership, and we'll get into those specials as we go. But so those leads are being assigned to everybody that's in our power line. Now, as soon as those leads are assigned, the other thing they do in the survey is they say, and you're willing to take a call from one of the businesses that we represent. And we got some businesses that we feel that are going to be a fit for you. Will you accept those calls? And the person says, yes, I'll accept those calls. So then we get all their information. We get their name, their number, their cell phone number, their email address, the best time to call them. We get all of that information. They answered all of their answers. All that stuff gets pushed into our system. And then we assign it round robin to everybody that's on our power line. And we're assigning these things like, we're getting them like every 10 minutes, every 5 or 10 minutes. So there's a lot of them available. And we're just pumping them through. This is going to be an example of, so our system automatically will go and send a voicemail drop. So it'll put a voicemail in their voicemail. It will send a text message introducing ourselves. It will send an email message. And then now we're going to have Sparky calling them as well, basically until they answer. And so this is an example of what we're working on of how that will sound.
Hi, this is Sparky AI. I'm reaching out to you on behalf of Carol with the Autopilot duplication machine. Imagine having me call thousands of leads for you every day as well, and walking them through signing up in your team, creating massive commissions. I just sent you a text message and an email with a link to watch our short introduction video. Let me know when you get it. You got it, great. Please fill in the opt-in information so we have you in our preferred list, and let me know when that is done. All done. Great. Scroll down and watch that 5-minute video, and then follow the directions to get started, or set an appointment with me or one of our live call center reps to help answer any additional questions you have. Remember, I'm ready to take the wheel for you too. I hope you have a terrific day. Bye for now.
So the idea, that was cool, huh, Ken? So,
by the way, Steve, I really appreciate the strategy here. I mentioned to Steve because I went through an actual live demo with the software, and there's times that you can tell, but I love, Steve, the fact we're not disguising that really, right? Because hey,
no.
Sparky's calling you, right? And so explain how that works, Steve. That's
So right out of the gate, that's the big strategy here, is that we want people to know that this is AI out of the gate. One, it's going to spark their attention, their curiosity, just to see what's going to happen. And as you can tell before, it's going to be geared up to answer all kinds of different questions. You're just not going to be able to get stumped. So it's going to be the rebuttal expert. And people are going to like that. They're going to want to interact with that. I know both Ken and I did, because we did some live demos, and we're like trying to stump the AI. Anyways, so the idea is to let people know right out of the gate, hey, this is AI. And as a matter of fact, what we're proposing is that I go to work for you as well, calling thousands of people. Now people are getting excited. There's like, okay, yeah, I'm getting a call. Oh, by the way, yeah, I did get a text a minute ago. Oh, and you just sent me another text too. Sweet. Oh, and I have an email from you guys. Even better. So it's live in real time interaction. We can even set it up where after they fill out the form, so when they fill in the opt-in form, the AI will know, and I'll say, oh, great, I seen you filled out the form. Now scroll down and let's get you on that video. And after you're done watching that video, follow the directions to get yourself signed up. If you need more help, click the chat bubble. I'm right here. And the chat bubble is going to be connected to AI as well, to Sparky. And so it's an incredible, it's really coming along, you guys. So I hope thank you for pointing that out, Ken, because that is a big part of our strategy. I hope you guys can appreciate that.
In fact, you think about that, Steve, enough leads need to go in the system for Sparky to do the work for you and our team, for you to get 3 to 5 people to do the same thing, right? Where does duplication break down? Call reluctance, fear factor. Well, Sparky doesn't have any call reluctance or any fear factor, right? Doesn't take coffee breaks. He's always working for us and for you, thus ensuring that you're getting 3 will turn into 9, will turn into 27, et cetera, et cetera. This is a big key to that duplication factor.